Good evening, students.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
So last class we are done with the explanation of average. Today we'll start with the worksheet, okay?
Sir, you had started with some of the worksheet sums.
Okay. So I'll just check. Okay, first question. How many we have done?
Sir, we have done only one question.
नहीं, second one किया है क्या? Okay, ठीक है. We'll start with the second question now.
Sir, we only did the first question.
Okay. Second question is given. A student has an average score of 85% after completing 4 tests. What is the lowest possible percentage score in any one of the tests? Okay. So 85% is equal to, let's consider 85 because out of 100 hai. So 85 is the average. And how many tests? 4 tests. So total marks कितना हो गया है? Tell me student, what will be the total marks he has scored?
340.
Very good. 340. 85 into 4 किया हमने. Okay. Now they have asked us which is the lowest possible score that student has scored. Okay. So what we'll consider in first test, he scored 100. In second, again he scored 100. In third also he has scored 100. So in the fourth test, how much he has scored?
40.
Correct?
40.
So
Yes, sir.
what is the lowest possible answer? 40%. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Has everyone understood this sum?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Finished writing?
Yes, sir.
Three years ago, the average age of Sunil, Anil, and Milen was 27 years. Just give me a minute, okay?
अरे तुम तो बहुत रॉकर्स है ना? हाँ?
Nilesh Akolkar, please be on mute.
Sir, can you explain the last sum once again, sir?
Nilesh, will you please be on mute? Who has doubt in last sum?
Sir,
हाँ, क्या doubt है पूछो?
sir, I joined a bit late, sir. I couldn't understand.
A person's average score is 85% in 4 tests. So we consider that 85 marks. Okay, 85% out of 100 hai. So 85 marks. So in 4 tests his average is 85. So total is 340. They have asked us what is the lowest possible score. Okay, in his 4 tests. So that's why we
Okay,
took
sir.
103 tests, which is the maximum score. And then only remaining is 40. So his lowest score is 40%.
Okay, sir. Sir, this is the first sum we are solving, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Average age of these three is equal to 27 years. This is 3 years ago. So present average age कितना होगा? टोटल कितना होगा बताओ मुझे इन सब का?
81.
81. अभी 3 इयर्स बाद सबका एज 3 ईयर से बढ़ेगा. तो टोटल एज कितना हो जाएगा? 90. तो एवरेज कितना हो जाएगा? What will be the average
30.
students?
30.
30.
Correct. And that of Anil and Milind 5 years ago was 20 years. So this is the present. Now we'll go 5 years ago. 5 years ago, Anil plus Milind कितने हैं? Anil plus Milind is equal to 20. Average. Okay. So what is the total age?
40.
Correct. This is 5 years ago. So इनका present age कितना हो जाएगा total? 5 years से बढ़ जाएगा.
Sir, 50.
50.
Correct. तो इनका present
25.
हो
So the
जाएगा
average will
50.
be
No,
20.
we don't need to find that. Present is
Oh
50.
yeah, sir, we have to subtract.
So from this, we now got Anil and Milind. So the remaining is Sunil. So इसमें से 50 subtract करेंगे तो answer क्या आएगा? 40, which is equal
40.
to Sunil's age. So Sunil's present age is 40 years. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Akshara, what is your doubt?
Sir, that I understood up to the present average age. 5 years ago, you wrote as average is 20, total is 40. Present, how did you found out, sir?
What is your age?
Sir, my age, 13.
Yes, 13. What was your age 5 years ago?
5 years ago, it was 8, sir.
8. So if 5 years ago your age was 8, so how will you find your present age? How much will add to your 5 years ago's age?
Plus 5.
हाँ, तो यहाँ पर भी क्या किया? इनका टोटल इज 40. सो बोथ अनिल एंड मिलिंस एज विल इंक्रीज बाय 5 इयर्स. सो टोटल इंक्रीज कितना होगा?
50, sir.
अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
Please note it down, students, quickly.
Sir, I just joined right now, so we are completing the average worksheet, right?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
There was
Thank you.
any sums of the average worksheet homework?
No, we had just done the first question last week. And
Yeah,
today
sir.
we
Homework
started
homework was completing the sums from the textbook, right? Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, have you already solved question 2 or it is homework?
We have already solved it. Now please go through the recording, okay, for that question. Fourth question is very easy, okay? This you have been learning from last 2 years, I think. Average age of 30 students is 9 years. So what is the total age?
210, 270.
270. Correct. Okay. Please be on mute, Yatharth. If teacher's age is included, the average becomes 10. So number of persons कितने हो गए? 31 people. Correct? Average कितना है? 10. So what is the total?
310.
300,
So what will be teacher's age?
310,
40.
310 minus
40.
40.
40.
40.
Very good.
40.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Please be on mute. Arav Dhawan. Question number 5. A car travels along the four sides of the square at 100 km per hour, 200 and 300 km and 400. Find its average speed. Okay.
So the total of all the speeds is 1000 kilometer per hour.
ऐसा नहीं होता है. Please wait. पहले तो हम ये consider this as square field. Okay. All sides are same. Average speed पूछा है ना उन्होंने. Average speed का formula है total distance upon total time. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll consider that the side is 600 kilometer. Now why 600 kilometer? अगर चारों का LCM लेंगे 100, 200, 300 and 400, so LCM 600 आएगा. Like it will come in decimals for 400, I know, but 600 is divisible by all four numbers, correct? So let's consider this one. So when 100 kilometer speed is there per hour, so how many hours will it take to travel from A to B?
6 hours.
6 hours, correct.
6
When
hours.
it is 200 kilometer per hour,
3 hours.
3 hours.
3 hours.
300,
2
2
hours.
hours.
2 hours.
yes. And when it is 400,
1.5
So 1 hour
hours.
30. 1 hour 30 minutes.
1.5 hours. We'll consider in hours.
1.5.
only. अभी total कितना होता है? 12.5 hours.
3.5.
This is total time. Now tell me what is the total distance covered?
600 kilometers.
गलत.
2400. 2400.
2400 kilometers.
2400.
Very good.
2400.
Very good. Now we need to divide this. So that's it. 2400 kilometers divided by 12.5. तो अभी हम क्या करेंगे? मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 करेंगे दोनों को. So what
But
we get?
sir,
24 into 1000. Please don't interrupt in between. Afterwards ask me, okay? Into 125 हो जाएगा. Correct? 2 zeros and 1 30, तो 1000 हो गया 24 as it is. 125 into 8 is equal to 1000. 24 into 8 कितना होता है? 160 plus 32.
192.
2 kilometers
190.
per hour is your average speed. जिनको भी डाउट है, raise your hand. Then I'll answer your doubts. Yes, Anshita, बोलो.
Sir, लेकिन हमने 100 kilometers में you've only taken 6 hours. वो फिर 2400 के लिए you'll have to take 24 hours, right?
Do you understand that we are just traveling 600 kilometers at this speed, then next 600 at this speed, next 600 at this speed, and next 600 at 400? Please read the question once. So that's a total distance covered is 24 kilometers, 2400 kilometers.
Okay.
Arnav, what is your doubt?
Sir, I've understood everything, but how you got 600 kilometers?
I just said in the beginning that we are just taking LCM of all 400, 200, 300, 400.
Okay, sir.
And I know that for 400 it comes in decimal, but it is easier to calculate. Otherwise, then we'll have to take 1200. And then again, our calculation will become big. Without taking 600 also, we can do it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
But then it will come in fractions and uska फिर से एक calculation बढ़ जाएगा. Now, if we take side as x, okay, we don't take any kilometer. So let's take side is equal to x. So first 100 kilometer per hour से हम travel कर रहे हैं. Okay. Distance is x. Time कितना हो गया? Time is equal to x upon 100. Correct? Then next will be x upon 200. Then x upon 300.
300,
And x upon 400. फिर
400.
इन सबको ऐड करने के लिए फिर से एलसीएम ही लेना पड़ेगा 100, 200, 300, 400 का.
Yes, sir.
Instead of doing all this making equations, what we did, we took 600.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Understood, sir. Thank you, sir.
और किसी को कोई डाउट है? Yes, Arnav.
Sir, I was lowering my hand.
Finished writing, everyone?
Yes, sir.
To pass an examination of 5 tests, 100 marks each, Krina needs 65% average. Her score of the first 4 tests are given. What is the lowest score she must get in the 5th test to pass? तो अभी 65% टोटल कितना है? 500. 500 into 65 upon 100 करेंगे हम, which will get the passing total. Okay. So कितना होगा? 5 into 65, which is
325.
very good. Total of the 4 tests is what? 60 plus 72 plus 55 plus 80. तो इसका टोटल कितना होगा? 140 प्लस 127, 267. अभी इसमें से 267 हम सब ट्रैक करेंगे. 325 माइनस 267. क्या आंसर आएगा? Here we get
58.
So what is the lowest score that is required? 58.
Yeah.
फिनिश राइटिंग एवरीवन? हाँ नीलेश, क्या डाउट है? नीलेश, व्हाट इज योर डाउट?
The first passing total thing, 500 into 65 divided by 100. I didn't know why did we do that?
Read the question.
Uh, to pass an examination of 5 tests each of 100 marks, Krina needs 65% average
हाँ
marks.
बस रुक जाओ,
उसको-
इसका क्या मतलब है?
Sir, the average mark must be 65%.
पर टेस्ट, तो 5 टेस्ट का कितना हो जाएगा?
500.
एवरेज कितना होगा पासिंग के लिए?
Uh, sir, 1 minute. Uh, 500, that, no, understood, sir. Sir, understood.
Please pay attention in class, okay? From the
Sir, I
beginning I am
started-
seeing you are not paying attention because your आपके बैकग्राउंड में आवाज आ रहा है. At the beginning also there was some noise. Question number 7 is homework. Question number 8. The present average age of 6 boys is 14 years. After 4 years, they have asked us the average age. Okay. So after 4 years, everyone's age will increase by 4. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what will be
Yes,
the
sir.
new average? 18 years. Because
18.
just add 4 to this number. Because सबका एज 4 years से बढ़ जाएगा. Understood?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes.
after 4 years, 4 years age will increase. Then total increased age will be 24 years, na?
So total age 24 बढ़ेगा, but average कितना होगा?
4.
हाँ, so इसलिए 4 से बढ़ गया एवरेज ना फिर.
Okay, sir.
अगर नहीं होता है वैसे, आपको ये डायरेक्टली नहीं समझ आया तो टोटल एज फाइंड आउट करो. टोटल कितना हो जाएगा? 14 इंटू 6, 84. इंक्रीज कितना होगा आफ्टर 4 years? 24 से इंक्रीज होगा तो हो जाएगा 108. अभी इसको डिवाइड बाय 6 करो तो आंसर 18 years आएगा. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
One minute, I'll take a screenshot. Yes, sir. Done.
So here they have given average of P and Q is 18. So P plus Q divided by 2 is equal to 18. Q and R is 25. So Q plus R upon 2 is equal to 25. And P plus R is 23. So total कितना होगा P and Q का? So P plus Q is equal to 36. Q plus R is equal to 50. And P plus R is equal to 46. यहाँ तक समझ में आया सबको?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now add all these three. Equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. So what
Sir,
will get?
132.
हाँ,
132.
2 into P plus Q plus R is equal to 132. ये समझ में आया? Why
Yes, sir.
2 multiplied by this? We have 2 times P, 2 times Q, 2 times R. Okay. So P plus Q plus R कितना हो गया?
66.
So 66.
Very good. अभी इसका एवरेज कैसे निकालेंगे?
Sir, 22.
0.3.
So 22.
Very good.
Divide by
22, sir.
3.
Everyone has understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, the average of P and Q is 18. So why we divided P plus Q upon 2?
P plus average का मतलब क्या होता है अक्षरा? What is average? Tell me.
Sir, I'm not Akshay.
Sir,
Sir,
Arnab.
Who is asking this doubt?
Sir, me.
Who is me? Please take your name.
Sir, Arnab.
Average का मतलब क्या होता है?
Sir, total number, the sum of the given things and divide by the number of things.
तो P and Q का एवरेज दिया है 18. तो कैसे निकालते हैं एवरेज P और Q का?
हाँ sir, so P plus Q, then there are 2, so upon 2.
So that's why we have written P plus Q divided by 2 is equal to 18. Now understood?
Ah, yes sir. Sorry sir.
No problem. अक्षरा क्या डाउट है?
sir, this sum I'm not. I don't have any doubt, sir. But previous sum alone, I have one doubt, sir.
बोलो.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, here total is equal to 84, 24. You had added, no, sir.
Yes.
So 84 is like 6 divided by 84 is 14 years, and 6 into 4 is 24.
हाँ. Correct.
Okay, sir.
What was your doubt then?
No, sir, I thought that it was like dividing by 14 and 18, sir.
No.
Okay, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Average weight of 5 sacks of rice is 35.5 kg. Okay, this is for rice. Then wheat they have given. For 5 sacks, what is the average? 45.
45.5.
an average weight of tur dal, okay, of 5 sacks is again 30 kg. Okay. Now they have asked us to find the average of all the 15 sacks. So now there are two ways. First one, you find the total weight, okay. So total को आप इसको multiply करके total find out करो. Here we get 150. What will get over here? Tell me, students. Multiply and tell. First one के लिए क्या आएगा? 35.5 into 5. 177.5. Okay. Next one is 45.5 into 5.
227.5.
हाँ, अभी इसको ऐड करेंगे हम. तो 227 plus 177.5 plus 150. तो आपको आया
555.
हाँ.
हाँ.
How many total sacks are there? 15. So what is
15.
the average?
37.
5 by
47, sir.
555 divided by 15. Very good. Which comes out to be
37.
37. Now, there's a more faster method. So what you will do is, here the quantity of sacks is same for all the 3 items. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
सबके number of sacks same है 5, 5, 5. So
Yes, sir.
easier method is just add these 3 numbers. इसको add करके बताओ कितना आता है.
Sir,
111.
111, right?
Yes.
1.
How many quantities we have added? 3.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
3.
So divide 111 by 3.
So 37.
37.
So no need to
Yes, sir.
multiply these numbers, add, then divide by 15. So what you
Sir, I
should
use
remember
that
is,
method only.
yeah, it's the same thing, but more simplified, more easier one. No need to multiply here directly. So when is this possible? When quantity is same.
Is same.
If here we had, let's say 4 and here we had 3, then it is not possible. Okay. So when quantity is same, that time only you can use this method. That add the averages and then divide by how many ever quantity you have added. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you explain the second trick again? My network was gone.
Just add the 3 averages. Okay. And
Yes,
then
sir.
divide by 3. Because your quantity of sacks for all 3 items is same.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
क्या डाउट है दीक्षिता? Your voice is not audible.
Me now?
हाँ बोलो.
Sir, which question you are solving the 10th one? In my worksheet, the question is different.
Which worksheet you are referring?
Textbook.
Is this the textbook sum? And all other sums were same?
No, sir.
So then, What you are referring? That means you have not paid attention from the start. Almost half an hour, 35 minutes have passed.
No, sir, I had joined late and I was just finding that are the questions same or not.
But what is the worksheet which we are solving? Tell me. Which worksheet we are solving? Are you there on the WhatsApp group?
Yes, sir.
So pay attention on that group. Read there. I have sent a worksheet in last week also. Today also before class I have sent a worksheet for those who don't have. These are not the
Okay, sir.
textbook
Sorry.
sums.
Okay, sir.
The captain of a football team of 11 members is 36 years old. Okay. Captain is 36. And the goalkeeper is 4 years older to the captain. So goalkeeper का क्या age?
40.
If the ages of these two are excluded, the average of the remaining two players is less than the average age of the whole team. What is the average age of the team? Okay. So now we don't have any other detail. So let's consider there are 11 players. Okay. Their average is X years. Total कितना हो जाएगा? 11x. Now if we remove these two players, so 9 players are there. Average कितना है? X minus 2. Correct? So total age कितना हो गया? 9x minus 18. ये समझ में आया?
Sir, why x minus 2?
I just read the question. Who is first thing? From now onwards, if anyone wants to ask anything, raise your hand. Others directly or you will be thrown out of the class. Okay. Who asked this question? Kanan, you have asked?
No, sir, I have a doubt.
हाँ ये क्वेश्चन किसने पूछा था x minus 2 वाला? What is your doubt, Kanan?
So won't it be 11x minus 76 since we should add both the captain and the goalkeeper's
You please
age?
wait, Kanan. Don't go to the solution or to the answer so fast. Please wait. I am solving. After that, you ask your doubts. Okay. In between the question, please don't ask such doubts which are related to the solution. And now everyone please rejoin the meeting. So I'll start the sum again.